Ordinary screwdrivers all have the same problem. You have to hold the screw. Not anymore. The Worx SD driver with automatic screw holder holds the screws for you. Drive screws with one hand, even above your head or in hard-to-reach places. Keep up to 6 bits on board and switch between them with the slide action. It's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for up to 18 months. Need an extra hand? You've got it. The Worx SD driver with automatic screw holder. Get yours today.
Introducing Worx Advanced Intelligence Drill, an evolution in tool technology with 3 amazing new features. BitLock automatically centers and locks in bits. Safe Drive senses when the screw is seated and stops the drill for you. And Pulse Assist is anti-slip technology that makes it simple to drill into hard materials and remove stripped screws. AI does the thinking so you can focus on the doing. Worx AI Drill.
Before the Switchdriver, everybody was telling me this is something I can't do. I can't use power tools. But now I have a Switchdriver and it was so user-friendly and almost intuitive to what I needed as somebody who's never really picked up a power drill before.
So I'm here in my yard and I said, you know, what better way to test a Switchdriver than a project that would require me to drill and drive several screws. So I set up 2 sections of fence. And what I did was I did the left side with the old drill and the right side with the Switchdriver. I set a clock to 6 minutes. I had the same screws, the same drivers, and the same drills. On the old drill side, I had to put the drill bit in, drill all 3 pilot holes, take the time to change out and put the driver in, and then drive all 3 screws into the piece of wood. On the Switchdriver side, I had the same drill bit and the same driver, but I didn't have to switch out anything because the Switchdriver had both of them already in it. As a result, I ended up getting twice as many boards put up on the Switchdriver side than I did on the old drill side. These slats that go on this chair are going to take a drill and a drive on each end. And the beauty about this Switchdriver is that it has an electronic torque control, and when I set it, I never have to worry about overdriving the drill and splitting the wood. So when I drill, and I switch, and I drive, I don't overdrive the drill and split the wood on the end. The beauty of it is also that every one of these slats has to be drilled and has to be driven. So I have to switch the drill, which is one of the beauties and the time-saving benefits of using the Switchdriver.
The Switchdriver, it's so light, even with the battery. So I can just drill my pilot hole and then switch it and then drive in the screw. Before, I couldn't do it, but I can do it now. It's just that easy. So here we are. My new towels have a home.
Welcome to Worx on Amazon.
The Worx Pegasus is a versatile work table that can be used as a portable sawhorse or workbench. The Pegasus holds a variety of materials and can support up to 1,000 pounds. It has a storage shelf for tools and supplies when doing projects and comes with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamping dogs to securely hold all of your materials. Whether you're cutting, sanding, painting, staining, or building, the Pegasus is a must-have work table. You can also easily attach a power strip to power through all of your projects. If more workspace is needed, you can expand your work table by linking multiple Pegasus tables together. Its compact design is perfect for easy transport and storage. The Worx Pegasus is a must-have portable work table whether you're a professional contractor or a DIYer. Get yours today.